Hello friends, welcome back. So today we're going to be learning to register a blockchain domain with ENS. I'm going to be following these instructions from 1729.com. So to complete this on Ethereum, you will need some Ether, which you can acquire from a cryptocurrency exchange. Now I have some Ether in CoinBase, so I'll use that. So we can say check off to there. Given Ethereum network gas fees, you can accept it to cost you around $150. Okay. And you can also do most of this for learning demonstration purposes on this. Now I'm going to do it for real rather than using this learning system. You'll also need a self-custody Ethereum wallet. Okay, so I don't have that. You can use most Ethereum or multi-coin wallets, but I recommend using MetaMask browser extension. Okay, cool. So that's what I'm going to get. So I'm going to open that in a new tab, and I'm going to open that over here and leave this guy here. All right, so looks like we need to download this. We have it on Chrome. I'm using Chrome right now, so we can install the extension and then add to Chrome. Cool. It adds it to the extension. Looks like it's downloading now. Okay, so while that downloads, once you have self-custody wallet and some Ethereum, okay, so I need to actually utilize this and then add Ethereum to here. So here, let's get started. New to Mask, support your existing wallet using Ethereum. This will create a new wallet. Okay, I'm going to create a new wallet. Help us improve MetaMask. I'll go agree. New password. So I'm going to add a new password here. And of course, I've read the terms of service. And I'm taking a screenshot of this and I'll save it for later. Okay. So you pass the test. Keep your safe phrase safe. It is your responsibility. Save it in multiple places. Be aware of phishing. Okay, whatever. Liquidity sources. Token swapping is here. So I'm going to close this. You can now swap tokens using that. So I don't really want to learn more about this. So I'm going to close this. Okay, it looks like I have 0 Ethereum here. So now what I need to do is add Ethereum. So I'm going to open up my CoinBase wallet. And I guess the problem is I don't know exactly how much I'm going to need to add. So I'm going to hide Coinbase for now and then just continue on with the instructions. You'll need a self-custody. Once you have enough Ethereum, we can go to this guy. So app.ens domains and click connect to connect your wallet. So I can add this over here. This is the wallet. I'm going to keep that, but this is just the setting it up, and this is how to download it. So I'll close those. So now I have, here's the ENS domain app, and then here I have the MetaMask app. Okay, so we have 0 Ethereum in here, but I'm going to wait to transfer the Ethereum until I know how much it costs. So here, for the name service, we're going to search names. So in here, I'm going to say useful programmer. Okay, so now we want to connect our wallets. It looks like I can connect to the MetaMask wallet, so it's an option here. Connect. Well, I'll refresh the page to see if it works. Okay, cool. Looks like I was able to connect it. So I'll stick with 1 year at 0.02 Ethereum, so that's about $4 US. The registering a name requires you to complete 3 steps. Request to register, your wallet will open and you will be asked to confirm the first 2 transactions required for registration. If the second transaction is not processed within 24 hours, the first, you will need to start again from step 1 to wait a minute. Okay, favorite name for S. And then complete the registration. Request to register. Details. Okay. Increase registration period to avoid paying gas every year. Huh. Okay, so I'll do it for 2 years, I guess. Estimate the total price plus gas. The gas is based on 40 GWEI. I don't know what that is. Registering a name requires you to complete 3 steps. Favorite the name for easy access in case you close your browser. Looks like I can favorite it here. Perhaps that's what they mean. Request to register. Your wallet will open and you will be asked to confirm the first 2 transactions. Request to register. Okay, I don't want to do that. Now, why is it not allowing me to do this? Increase registration to avoid fees. Okay, so it looks like I need 0.002 Ether in my account. So let's bring up Coinbase. And now here I'm going to look for Ethereum. And I want to convert. No, I want to transfer Ethereum. Send Ethereum. Okay, and I want to send 0.002 Ethereum. I'm going to actually make it 0.003. Oh, it's in dollars. I want to change this to Ethereum. 0.003 to an address. And in order for me to get that address, I'm going to have to bring up the extensions. So I'm going to pin MetaMask here so that I can see it and then try to bring it up. Okay, so I'm going to click the check mark and go next. And I want to view the address. Okay, so if I can send it there. Cancel. No, I want to swap. No. Let's go to account details. Okay, so now that I have this address, I should be able to send it here to this address for Ethereum name service. Pay with Ethereum. Oh, I don't have any Ethereum. Okay, so I'm going to have to buy some Ethereum. Okay, and for me to do that, I'm going to have to sell some other stuff. So let's go to my portfolio. Let's see, I have Bitcoin. I have $4,000 worth of Bitcoin. I want to swap Bitcoin. Send/receive. No. Convert Bitcoin to Ethereum. And let's say I want to convert, let's just go with $500 from Bitcoin to Ethereum. Okay, so I preview convert. And convert now. Okay, so view transaction. This should say convert to Bitcoin. So let's go back to home. Let's go to portfolio and we go to Ethereum. Okay, now it looks like I have Ethereum. Okay, so let's go to overview. What I want to do is send Ethereum to this address. Wallet, send Ethereum. So cool. Let's see if I can send Ethereum here. Oops. Okay, that's the wrong place. I need to, let's convert to Ethereum. I want to send 0.003 Ethereum to this address. Ethereum for DNS, for Ethereum name service. Am I spelling Ethereum right? No. Okay, cool. Pay with Ethereum. Okay, so I have 0.18, and I'm sending 0.003. So that should be plenty enough. And here it's telling me that the total cost is going to be Oh, it's $31. Okay. So let's see here. If I can, $31, 0.003, is that right? Okay. Let's just send, I have 0.18, and this says that I need 0.002, and then 0.01. So 15 plus 13, no, at least 0.015. Okay, so I'll 0.02 Ethereum, just to have some extra. And I'm sending it to this address. So let's go continue, see how this works out. So I'm sending 53 and it says it's going to cost 31. That's good. I just want to have some extra. It says that it's going to take 10 minutes. Okay, so now Coinbase is sending me an authentication code, and I'm going to have to use my two-factor identification in order to solve this problem. Okay, now I can confirm that. Okay, so it says that it's sent, and this transaction usually takes 10 minutes. So, okay, before I guarantee that it takes 10 minutes, let's just check the wallet. If I come here, it shows that there's nothing there. Okay, so it's 7:06 right now in my time, and I'm just going to wait for 10 minutes. So we'll get back to you when the money is transferred from Coinbase to MetaMask. And so I'm just going to wait 10 minutes, and then we'll see how it works. Okay, so it looks like we've got money in the MetaMask account, and so now we're going to try to get this thing to register. So I'm going to refresh this page. And say, let's see, connect MetaMask, register. Okay, now that there's sufficient money in the MetaMask browser account, and it looks like it's 33.78, we can request to register. USEFULPROGRAMMER.EF. That's good. So here I made a mistake and I didn't realize what was going on. Up here, right there, you'll see that there's a little number kicking up. Each one of these seems to be a charge on my wallet that I needed to click the menu and say accept. Instead, I clicked it multiple times and chalked it up to like 7, and then later on in the video, I deleted it back down to like 8. But I want to leave this in here just so you guys can see the process of me learning this system. Okay, so it looks like I've accidentally, by clicking this request to register thing, I've done this multiple times. So I'm going to reject all but one of my requests. And now I'm just going to wait. I'm going to give this, well, I'm going to say confirm. Okay, cool. So it looks like it's actually waiting. So that's what had to happen. I actually had to click up here and get it moving like this. So that's not entirely obvious. But I'm glad that we got that. So we're doing the request. We're waiting for a minute, and then we should have a complete registration. So just going to wait for a bit for now. Okay, cool. So it looks like it made it here, so I'm going to click register. Here again, I've got a little bit of a charge or a notification on my browser widget, which I didn't quite notice initially, but that gives us an idea about how this works using cryptocurrency to build the internet, I suppose. Okay, so my wallet didn't reopen, but it says click register and your wallet will reopen only after the second transaction is confirmed, and you'll know if you've got the name. So I'm clicking the wallet, a little thing that I pinned here earlier, and I'm going to say confirm. Cool, and it looks like that's kicked this off. And so once again, we're just going to wait for this. It says TX pending. So I guess one of the keys of this is just to be patient. You don't want to overclick things like I did earlier when I overdid the wallet. This says that it's loading right now. And then if I click the wallet, it says that it's pending, and it says it's pending the apps thing. So I'm just going to wait on this. Okay, still pending. I'm gonna keep waiting on it. What happens if I click speed up? Okay. So remind me, manage name or set reverse name. If I manage name. Okay, so actually I think we could go back to the instructions now. Once you have self-custody wallet in there, after registration is complete, it's time to set up your records. To complete this task, you need to do two things. First, click set reverse record. Okay. So register, subdomains, details, learn how to manage your name. Shoot, I should have clicked the other button. Set reverse name. Registrant, expiration, resolver, Ethereum. So here's the Ethereum one. Add/edit the record with a Bitcoin, BTC. I wonder how I could get a Bitcoin address. I wonder if I open it here. Create account. If I create an account. Bitcoin? Looks like my Bitcoin wallet has Ethereum in it, so that's not right. Account details. Okay, so I don't know what's going on here. So second, click your name in the second, add edit records and paste in a BTC address. Okay, well, let's add a BTC address. So here I could go use my BTC wallet here. And then there should be some way for me to get a wallet. Send/receive, receive. Be sure to select the right cryptocurrency. Okay, I understand. Transfer cryptos faster on CoinBase. Let's say skip for now. Okay, so now I have a Bitcoin address, so I'm copying this. This is from this is from CoinBase. So my BTC one's here. Looks like Ethereum's there. I actually have a Litecoin one as well, so I'll add that. Send/receive, receive. Get my address for Litecoin. I don't have a Dogecoin one yet, so whatever. Twitter, VND Twitter, VND GitHub URL. Cool, so I could just add URLs in here. Don't need avatar, don't need email. I don't want emails, let's see. So we could just go usefulprogrammer.org. GitHub would be, let's go here, I go GitHub. I Robinson, Twitter / add my Twitter URL here. So now I have an LTC, BTC, Ethereum. Can we add the record? Add address, add content, IPSA, add text. Key, email, notice URL, enter URL. Okay, so here I'm actually going to, I've got a blog post that I started, which is going to be at this address, and I'm going to paste that in here. Except for I don't want it to be like that. So first off, I'm going to publish it. And I can update it as time goes by, but I want to establish the URL. So now that it's published, I can view the post. And then this is how to register an Ethereum name service. I can save it here. And it looks like it saved it down here somewhere. How to register it. Cool. All right, so it looks like I have registered usefulprogrammer.eth, and it has an Ethereum account for me, a Bitcoin account for me, and a Litecoin account for me. It has my Twitter, my GitHub, and my URL in here. And so we can confirm. So it's asking me to confirm these. These all look correct. Are you sure you want to do this? This action will modify the state of the blockchain. Yeah, confirm. Okay, so it looks like it's, once again, it's just saying the details are here. Confirm, confirm. Okay, I did it again. So it doesn't necessarily make it so you disconnect things. It says insufficient fund. Let's reject the first one. Oh, okay, so it's saying now to confirm I need to put 38 in. But it says I have insufficient funds. Let's see here. Okay, so it looks like what I need to do is add more Ethereum. In order to get this to be working. So I've got the Ethereum here. I'm looking at it now. It's like, okay, this is the Ethereum. It looks like in my wallet, I still have $435, but here I wasn't able to confirm it because I didn't have enough. Is that right? Gas fee of $38. So, okay, so I rejected the thing, so it gets me back to the original. So it looks like I have $7 here, and it needs 38. So what if I send it here? No. Okay, so I'm going to have to add more to this account. $38. So let's try to add 100 Ethereum here. Send, pay with Ethereum. Okay, send/receive. Send to here. So I'm trying to send money from my CoinBase wallet to this Ethereum, this Meta wallet or whatever, register config. So here I received 53, but that didn't seem like enough. I spent 0, registered with config, so assets. So it looks like I have 7.4. So I'm going to have to find a way to add it here. Connected sites. Test network. I don't know what all this stuff is. Account Ethereum. Okay. View on Ethereum, connected sites, activity, add token. No. Activity. Buy. I don't want to buy. Swap. Swap from Ethereum. No, that's not right. I remember doing this earlier. Send. Transfer between my accounts. That doesn't get me there either. So there's got to be a way to do this. Okay, so I want to send another $50 here, but not of Bitcoin. Pay with Ethereum. I want to pay another $50 to there. Optional note. Second attempt at Ethereum name service. And I want to send it to this address. All right. Looks like I'm trying to send another $54 worth of Ethereum there. There's a network fee. A Coinbase didn't charge anything. That's nice. Okay, so send now. Okay. It says that it's sent. Okay, so I can close out of Coinbase and then I can come back to here. And if we look at my wallet here, it doesn't look like it's shown up yet, but I'm going to just wait 10 minutes. So we'll give that a go. Okay, so 10 minutes later, we have synced up and we have some more Ethereum in our wallet, our MetaMask wallet. Okay, so if I come down here, I should be able to confirm these changes. Once again, I'm just checking Twitter, GitHub, and then how to register. So this is going to be locked down the blockchain forever. Here's my Bitcoin, Litecoin, and then an Ethereum address. I'm using Coinbase for most of those. So if I can confirm this, are you sure you want to do this? And then it's just showing me these again. I'm saying confirm. And you'll notice this little thing's clicked off again. So that means there's something happening. So it looks like what they're doing is asking my wallet to confirm these charges of $45. So if I confirm this, 107, now it's pending again. So we're going to hold off and wait for this. It looks like I can make the option to speed it up, but that's going to cost more, so I don't know. I can be patient. We'll just wait until see what happens. Okay, so we're back at it. Looks like things have happened. Okay, so I'm down to 61 US dollars. And if I come here, I'm not sure. Registrant Ethereum. I mean, what happens if we go to usefulprogrammer.eth? Okay, that did not work. Set the record. Assets. If my wallet says that I still have $61 worth of Ethereum in here. Search name or addresses. All right, well, it looks like it's here, but it's not correct. Register. The name is already registered. Oh, okay, cool. So what happens? Okay, so my guess is that this is just going to take a while to register. So I am going to stand by for a bit. So I can click your name is in the list below. Okay. Here we did this. Once you have it, you can confirm, and then you're all done. Your ETH name can be used to receive payment of Bitcoin. Now, my guess is that it's going to take a little bit for this to happen. But it does say that it's already registered, which means it's probably registered in my name. I guess it's associated with my token, my wallet. I'm not really sure exactly how that works out. So this was a competition in which they say that they will send you $250 worth of Ethereum for doing this. And considering that I spent around 150 worth of Ethereum, it's going to be, I hope I win. But it's kind of an interesting thing. So I'll be putting this together in a tweet sort of presentation, the way that they request it here. And then everything that comes from this project, I will be sharing on how to register an Ethereum name service at usefulprogrammer.org. And so you can keep track of whatever happens there. So yeah, until then, we are just going to stand by, and hopefully soon we'll be able to go to usefulprogrammer.eth. I guess the long-term goal here was to be able to create a page that was similar to this guy's, this brandly.xyz. When we merge DNS with ENS. So here, if you go to apps.ens-domain-brantley.xyz, it looks like he made it like that. So what happens if we go this dot, instead of brantley.xyz, we go usefulprogrammer.org. Okay, so they sort of have this, you cannot claim under .org status, but what if we go .eth? Okay. Yeah, so I guess I'm on the blockchain now with the useful programmer. So I guess this is a sign of success. Cool. Now, the long-term ramifications of this. What's the value of this? Could I change this so that it linked directly to how to register an Ethereum name service? I suppose so. Registrant Ethereum. Controller. Enter Ethereum address. Maybe it's allowing me to go through these right now because I have access to this. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I guess I'm just going to have to let this play out. But for now, it looks like we found a little bit of success in that we've been able to register the usefulprogrammer.eth website. And I hope that it's associated with this account, with this wallet. Multi-call, receive, register with config. It looks like we've spent $5. 61 assets, Ethereum. We just have assets of Ethereum and ENS name server. So yeah, my account. If I'm here at apps.ens.domain, it looks like I have one, and so yeah, registrant controller. Let's see if I could add a subdomain. If I want to add organization here. Okay, so it's charged my wallet again. It's saying, do I want to confirm that I want to pay $10 in gas fee to add a organization subdomain? No, I don't really want to do that yet. Okay, cool. So I'm using my wallet. I'm saying, no, you can't charge me for things. That's kind of cool. Yeah, so I guess this is part of the blockchain now. And so this is the goal of the project, was to get your blockchain set up. So yeah, I guess maybe I'll add more to this video in the future. Again, this was part of a 1729 video series in which they say if you do this and you make a Twitter tutorial on how to do this, they'll send you $250 in Ethereum. So hopefully that works out for us, because I just spent $150 worth of Ethereum to make this, and so it'll be interesting to find out how it works. And if you're interested in following along with this, you can go to usefulprogrammer.org/ how to register an Ethereum name service, ENS. And I'll have more details, and I'll update everything about how this worked out and my thoughts on the whole thing here. So maybe I'll have a follow-up video for this one. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.